Hey, sand fans and Dunatics, Sand Phil here. I know it's been a little while since we did a video, but hey, I got some pretty cool stuff happening today. And look, Sleece a stack, Sleece stack. All right, so guess what we have for the channel? This is going to be a shocker. You guys have never seen one of these before. Look, it's a Suzuki Vincent 500. I know what y'all are thinking. Wow, Phil's never done a Vincent 500. Yeah, this is going to be like the fourth one I think that we've built, but the difference is my brother needs this one really bad to work out on his property. So we need to kick this one out, and this is going to be kind of a budget build. So we're going to get her up and running and show you guys how to do some stuff on it. I'm telling you, we got it in here, but it's buried.
See, there's a few things in here.
I'm telling you, we got it packed, so we just kind of need to.
It's a heavy board. I'll watch you carry it.
We just got to dig it out.
Okay. Darren, that's called a lawnmower. You never used one, but I just showed you.
No, thanks. All right, we're getting close. Oh, sorry, Bob. That's awesome, Phil.
Okay, you notice, man, that's a red one. That's a good looking one. You like that? That's a good looking four-wheeler.
That's awesome.
Hey, that's a good looking four-wheeler.
man.
Look at that, Darren. You don't have to do nothing.
Well, thanks. I appreciate it. This one's mine. Okay.
All right.
Where's the other one?
Uh-oh.
Well, hang on. I'll show you. So,
There's more involved, I think.
yeah, hang on. So,
Well,
there it is.
now, wait. There's no plastic or nothing. There's some things missing here. Where's the wheels?
Oh, they're out here.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
well,
So,
at least you got wheels. Yeah, that's good.
so, see, there's the wheels.
Oh, all right.
It's kind of like Legos.
You kind of have to put these on it.
But
Maybe we have to maybe bolt them or something.
but
So there's some assembly required.
yeah,
Aha.
there's going to be a little bit of assembly here, but
There's also not only assembly, but I think we're going to have to get it out. Now, there's various objects on top of there.
we're going to have to.
Does that plumbing pipe go with it? Or?
Oh yeah, we can put that on there.
That can be added. No, put it on the back.
I'll tell you what, a lot of this stuff could probably go with it if you really wanted to.
No. Hey, you got another tire.
Yeah, those won't fit it.
I thought maybe that was a steering wheel. I wasn't sure. Okay, I will carry the object. This is in case you ride it and have a flat, right?
Right.
What's the electrical system?
I don't think the gift cup would help you get it out either. I think that's it.
I know. I think
Yeah, buff out of there. It'll be fine.
I didn't see the scratch. All
What's in
hey,
the
okay,
engine?
I'll give you a discount on it then.
Did I show you the
that family
natural?
discount.
Did we show you the natural part of it? It's got natural things growing out of it.
All these
It's green.
all
It's
these old
real.
four wheels are green.
It's a green floor wheeler.
Especially right now, it's out the engine. It's
Yeah.
pretty
Oh yeah,
eco-friendly.
it's very eco-friendly.
You gotta put it on-
Don't get bit by any of those eco-friendly things, okay? If it rattles the back end of it, worry a lot. What's this? Is this a hubcap or?
I think that is to a Volkswagen transmission.
You're not the first guess I was
Okay.
gonna have on that, but
I don't know that a Volkswagen transmission will be good for a four-wheeler.
Oh yeah, we'll make it work.
interchangeable. All the parts are
Yeah.
Foreign parts are all interchangeable.
Well, they all
Foreign-
come from the same place, right? Japan.
Taiwan.
If it comes from the same place, it's bound to fit, no matter if it's a car or a four-wheeler.
Okay. So here's what I think.
If we sit here
I want
long
to
enough,
get this
it'll get out itself,
And
right?
I'm gonna pull it forward. We're
Okay.
gonna ease it this way.
I got the ease for it. Okay.
So
Make it look hard. Don't do it just easy. Like
Oh, we can make it look easy. Okay, so let me pull the front end. Oh, let me get my case out of the way. Oh, it's in the ground. Probably. It's been sitting on it for like 2 years now. All right.
Has it rooted?
There we go.
Let me move this. Might be in the way.
Put it down. Look, it's out of the shade.
Rolling. Sunlight has seen it again.
Man, all I'm seeing is not have to walk the trash cans all the way down every day. Every week.
There's some more ants here for you.
Well, they're free. Don't even worry about that. That's just extra.
Maybe we could get them in a treadmill and make a motor for you. Get all the ants run the same way.
To be honest, I really don't use it a whole lot.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just thinking about that.
Wait, I think push.
I think so too.
Yeah. Well, here, let's
Load it up.
drive. Let's just turn it like load it. Oh, no, it's okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see.
you know what we will need though? We go get me Berserko.
What?
Oh, we don't want to get stuck in the backyard. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk this.
Darren, put one foot in front of the other. There you go. You got it. Walk it.
That's my dogs. I think you'll be all right. Didn't feel too.
Oh, that's hard. Okay. If it gets stuck too far down the truck, we can always, get some shovels and stick it.
Well,
Not more than 4 feet deep or something.
I bet you we can pull my four-wheeler out, shove it in four-wheel low, and lock the diff in. I bet we can pull the truck out with it.
Okay. He looks worried. He looks worried.
Now we'll have to do a little car.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like,
The hardest part is moving the vehicle.
Yeah, always.
Okay, go ahead and show him how to open the gate.
It's a C-clamp.
this is figured out.
So, now do you see what I'm doing? I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to get the shop.
Pretty foot racing out would be good.
You know, you never know.
You might leave the yacht back here if this gets any wetter.
Yeah, that's for sure. No, this is going to be way too easy. No,
Yeah.
no, we can't do
Gotta
this.
get something harder than this.
This ain't going to work.
It just goes right in there.
Yeah, no, we can't.
We could both sit back and watch him load it.
No, this won't work. This is going to be way too easy. Not enough paint involved.
Ain't it? Here, come along.
Ready? Ready. Turn the back glass. Hey, dear. Your steering, yeah, your steering is. Why don't you steer? What? You're talking about perfect.
You want to take these right?
Yeah. I hope he doesn't think I'm just giving him a piece of crap. It's actually a pretty good four-wheeler.
It will be when we finish with this.
Well, I was going to talk to you. We can find plastic for it. It's not cheap.
Hey, would you like that chain mail with make of plastic put on it?
Hey, yeah, why don't you just print up some fenders for it?
We'll print up. Just Just little snap togethers on them.
Yeah.
Make them 2 foot by 2 foot.
Now I bet you will lose that floor fan thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think there was a free delivery on that. Spot, right?
That's how you know
That's how you know you're doing it.
you locked it in.
Has he got it in the truck yet?
Okay. That's what I said. Oh, this doesn't seem so bad.
He said that. His last words, I think.
That didn't seem so bad.
How far is the hospital?
You know what? That didn't really seem bad at all.
No, I tell you what.
I don't know that I can hold it. No, you get soap, but it's a lot better.
Okay.
I don't believe it.
For UK views, dang it.
Pizza cake. It's all watered under
Pizza
the
cake.
fridge now.
Okay, we want to try to get the motor out now, or do we want to put the motor in it?
I think we put the. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
I had an idea.
Okay.
You could get that wheelie cart thing
Mm-hmm.
and just set the motor on it and wheelie it in here.
Leave it on there and leave this one there.
I mean, for right now.
Yeah, I think that's it down here.
So this is all.
I think I put the wrong sign on the. I redid the signs in the front.
You know how I find out if somebody's on minimum wage?
Yeah.
I ask if they're married.
Well, yeah.
He laughed at my joke.
I try not to. But
He laughed at my joke. I saw him. Is your foot getting tired?
I'm saying, man, this is hard stepping down like this. Can't really complain.
I just hope it don't go right to the ground when we put it on there.
I'll test it first.
Don't put your hands, feet under table deck.
You know, I didn't want to do that until it told me it couldn't do it.
I know, now I'm kind of thinking it wouldn't
Okay. I will make sure
That's too easy.
okay, this is this.
be. Yeah, this isn't going to work.
This almost feels like cheating.
I have to do something.
There it goes.
Did you put a good dent in it?
Oh. Look, let's say no.
Then try it again.
Okay, why don't you act like you know what you're doing?
Man.
That's why I didn't know. That's why I was like, oh, hold on.
All right. That's our Harbor Freight 1,000 pound, what's it called? Table lift.
Thingamothinger?
We made it a motorcycle lift. What's the name of it?
It's a 1,000-pound hydraulic table cart.
Table cart. So you can bring the food to somebody. They may overeat. That's the way you lift the food.
Oh, I got you. Roll them out.
Yeah.
I think the wheels locked.
That holds your steak and everything.
Good idea. All right.
motorcycle with her forward with that.